Using point of sale limit module, it helps the user to set a product wise, category wise sale limit for a customer. Then customer can purchase only by the limited products. In point of sale, if the user add more than the given quantity in the point of sale limit, it will raise a warning like purchase limit exceeded. So let's complete the configuration part. So for that we need to get into a point of sale. And the configuration settings, you can see in settings like point of sale limit option. There are two options, that is two sale limit options are there. One is a point of sale and another one is a point of sale category. So we can make use of both things. So at first let's start with a product. So let's save this settings and we need to get back to the products to apply a limit in that particular product. So let me get into the product, and under sales you can see and apply sales limit options available. So we need to get into that is we need to check this box and you need to give a limit right away here. So once everything is done, we can just save this one and we can start a new session in the point of sale to check the flow. So once the session will be created, now let's paste the product here and you can see the product available here. So we have given a limit as 1. Let's choose a quantity as 3 now. Let's create a payment. Yeah. So you can see if user add more than a given quantity in the point of sale limit, it will raise a warning like purchase limit exceeded with the quantity which we have given there. Okay. So like the same way we can did for the category as well. So for category configuration we need to get into a settings again and then we can change that options to category. Then let me save this one and get back to the products. So when I get into the product of this product, so you can see there is a category available in the point of sale option. So we need to get into that and we need to give a limit for that. So I have given a limit as 1, the same like which I have did before. Now when I save this one and copy the name, so now we can see for this product I have enabled a category with the limit in that particular category. Okay. So let me get into a session and add the same product which we have copied there. Okay. Let me delete that one and you can add this one. Okay. So now I have added a product, the quantity 2, but I have given a limit only for 1. Okay. Now I'm going to make a payment. So now you can see the pop-up will be raised which shows and purchase limit exceeded. So I have given an quantity 1 but now I have added a quantity 2. So in this way we can restrict a point of sale limit. Okay. Thank you.